A running train is a marvel of engineering, combining power, precision, and coordination. At its core, the train operates through a powerful engine, typically diesel or electric. The engine generates force that turns the wheels through a system of gears and axles. In electric trains, current is drawn from overhead wires or a third rail, powering electric motors that drive the wheels. Diesel locomotives, on the other hand, have a diesel engine that turns a generator, which produces electricity for electric traction motors. Steel wheels run on steel rails, creating very low friction, allowing a train to move heavy loads efficiently. The entire system operates on principles of kinetic energy, where the engine builds up momentum and uses braking systems, either air brakes or regenerative brakes, to slow down or stop. From a passenger's perspective, the experience of a running train is a mix of excitement, calm, and reflection. The rhythmic clatter of wheels on rails, the gentle swaying of the carriages, and the changing scenery outside the window create a peaceful, almost meditative atmosphere. For many, train travel is more than just transportation. It's an experience. Families bond on long journeys. Solo travelers reflect while watching fields and cities pass by, and commuters catch a few moments of rest before their busy day begins. For train operators and drivers, a running train means constant focus and responsibility. Drivers must maintain speeds, monitor signals, communicate with control rooms, and handle emergency procedures with precision. Trains are often considered more environmentally friendly compared to other forms of transport, especially air and road. Electric trains produce significantly less carbon emissions, especially when powered by renewable energy sources. Even diesel trains are more fuel efficient per passenger than cars or airplanes. Running trains help reduce traffic congestion on roads, which indirectly cuts emissions. They also require less land per passenger compared to highways. However, challenges remain, such as noise pollution, disruption to wildlife habitats during construction, and the environmental cost of manufacturing and maintaining railway infrastructure. The running of trains boosts economies. It connects rural areas with urban centers, making job opportunities, goods, and services accessible. Freight trains are the backbone of industrial logistics, moving everything from coal and cement to food and electronics. Socially, trains play a critical role in shaping communities. They influence where people live and work. Suburban expansion is often guided by train routes. Railways also support tourism. Scenic train journeys attract travelers, creating income for local businesses and communities. In countries like India, Japan, and much of Europe, trains are a cultural symbol, connecting people across vast geographies and social backgrounds. Modern trains have advanced significantly. High-speed trains like Japan's Shinkansen or France's TGV can travel at over 300 kilometers per hour, or 186 miles per hour. These use aerodynamic designs, advanced track systems, and computer-assisted control to ensure safety and speed. Driverless trains are also emerging in metro systems. These use artificial intelligence, sensors, and advanced signaling to operate without human intervention. Smart ticketing systems, GPS tracking, and onboard Wi-Fi enhance passenger convenience. In the future, magnetic levitation trains, which float above tracks using powerful magnets, promise ultra-fast and smooth travel. Running a train safely involves complex logistics. Signals, tracks, communication systems, and schedules must work in harmony. Train control centers monitor positions of all trains to avoid collisions. Maintenance crews inspect tracks regularly, and sensors detect any rail faults. Emergency systems such as automatic braking, fire suppression, and onboard alarms ensure passenger safety. Stations are designed to manage large crowds and coordinate with trains to ensure timely boarding and deboarding. Culturally, trains symbolize progress, nostalgia, and journeys, both physical and emotional. They appear in movies, literature, and art as metaphors for life, transitions, and choices. Trains often evoke a sense of romance or mystery, especially night trains passing through quiet, unknown towns. Psychologically, train journeys offer time to think, observe, and disconnect from the digital world. For many, the act of moving smoothly over long distances can be deeply relaxing and therapeutic. A running train is more than a machine on tracks. It's a dynamic system involving technology, people, nature, and society. From the humming of the engine to the laughter of children in a coach, from the gleam of steel tracks to the hum of electricity and overhead wires, every train journey carries stories, dreams, and connections. Whether it's a morning commute or a cross-country adventure, trains remain one of the most profound symbols of human progress and unity. Please subscribe